And today in this video I'm going to share with you importance of a website for any for any type of business. So if you have a business, if you have any type of business like e-commerce business or service business, then in today's world you must have a website. If you don't have any website in today's digital world, then people cannot find you to easily contact with you or know everything about your business. So if you have a website, a well optimized, a mobile friendly, a user friendly website, then people can easily contact with you through your website. And most important thing is people, any type of people who are ready to purchase your product from your website or physical, or who are ready to hire you for your service. Then people easily understand what type of product you are selling, what type of service you are providing. So that's why, if you don't have any website for your business, for your service business, or for your e-commerce business, then you must create a website. uh, because a website can visible your service, visible your product. Okay. So if you want to a brand in today's world, then you must have create a website. So that is the thing actually. And another thing, people understand what type of people get got your service, and what type of people purchased your service, your product through your website. Because today, one person purchase your product, or one person uh, you know uh, get your service, then this person, if this person will be happy to get your service, to get your to purchase your product, then this person will provide you a review. After that, in your website, uh, you will add the review in your website. After that, few days later, when new person come your website, then read some review, then they can understand, yes, if I purchase this product, then I will be, it will be helpful for me. Or if we get this service from this owner, then this service will help us, or this service will uh, solve my problem. Because people trust this site, people trust this person. So website is very important for any type of business. Website is very important thing for any service business, or product based business, or I mean e-commerce business. So if you don't have any website yet, then you must create a website for your business.